Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about ChatGPT, how it works, examples of its usage, its evolution, and most importantly, its limitations. This is a table of contents slide, and let's start by discussing about what ChatGPT actually is. ChatGPT is a highly advanced AI chatbot system which is developed by OpenAI. When we ask questions in natural language, ChatGPT understands them and generates the most appropriate responses. It's widely used for learning, information gathering, and even brainstorming ideas, making it a valuable tool in many different scenarios. And then, ChatGPT is based on the machine learning model called Generative Pre-trained Transformer GPT, which has been trained on vast amounts of text data. This training has given ChatGPT an extensive knowledge base as well as the ability to understand complex sentences and provide relevant answers. Now, let me give you a few examples of how ChatGPT can be used, particularly in my university studies and in business scenarios. In university studies, it can be helpful for gathering ideas or as a self-study tool to support learning. In business, it can be used for tasks like double-checking emails before sending other company or researching industry trends to improve work efficiency. Then, ChatGPT has undergone 4 updates so far, with the latest model being ChatGPT 4 Omni. Here are the main improvements in this version. First, increased response generation speed. Second, enhanced support for non-English languages. Third, reduced cost of API usage. These improvements have made ChatGPT even more user-friendly and accessible to a wide range of users. Now, this is the main point of this presentation. Let's get to the main focus of today's presentation, the limitations of ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is a highly convenient tool, it has some important limitations. First, bias of data. Since ChatGPT is trained on massive datasets, it may inherit biases present in the data. This means it can sometimes produce responses that are unfair or biased toward certain topics or cultures or something like that, which can impact its reliability. The second one is unnatural language. Although ChatGPT's responses are often natural and, of course, fluent, but there are times when its answers contain awkward or unnatural expressions. It can struggle, especially in situations that require subtle emotional expression or nuanced language to generate responses that sounds as if they were crafted by a human. The third one is ethical issues. ChatGPT lacks emotions and ethical judgment, which means it cannot always handle sensitive or complex topics in an appropriate way. There's a risk of producing responses that may be biased or misunderstood, particularly with ethical questions that require human judgment. So, this is my conclusion. ChatGPT generates responses based on pattern recognition in the text it was trained on. As a result, it has difficulty coming up with genuinely new ideas or original creative thoughts. So, I think there should be some other areas that ChatGPT cannot reach forever. Thank you for listening my presentation.